couldn't make up. You're such a stinky, smelly pants.
You've gone too far this time.
This is a great way to relieve stress.
Isn't it?
You also into yourself, Liv.
You're into yourself more. You're such a stinky, smelly pants.
You've gone too far this time. All you do is miss.
You've been missing too.
That's dangerous.
You're setting a bad example for children.
You can't throw at all.
No, you can't throw at all.
You've got a huge head, Liv.
Well, you've got a massive head, Auntie Nick. You're such a goody two-shoes, Auntie Nick.
Speak for yourself, goody two-shoes. You're such a stinky, smelly pants.
You've gone too far this time. You're a potato, Auntie Nick.
What you say is what you are. Disappearing magic ball.
Crap. Hiya.
Hey. You're mean, Liv.
No, you're meaner. You're a potato, Auntie Nick.
What you say is what you are.
This is so stupid. You're wasting my time, Auntie Nick.
You seem to be enjoying wasting my time. You're a liar, Liv.
If I'm a liar, then what are you? If you apologize now, I'll forgive you.
I won't apologize until you apologize.
Disappearing magic ball.
Crack.
Take that and that and that and that.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.